What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one of a lot of you have been requesting a full 3-way breakdown of the Jordan 4 Nigel Sylvester break after break. I've got 3 pairs sitting in front of me today, not 2. Pair 1, retail. Pair 2, Flightkickz. And the pair 3, just a random pair I picked up from the general market, so you can see what a lot of the other sellers out there are actually pushing. The whole point of this video is simple. I want to show you why all non-retail pairs are made equal. There's a huge quality gap between a properly QC'd pair and a radar market pair. And I'm going to prove it to you panel to panel, side by side. Let's get into it. So guys, first we check the packaging. So the 2 pairs directly comparing to the retail pair, the boxing is a little bit different. All of them are men's size 11. Retail pair, it comes with this kind of packaging with plastic bags and paper wrapped the shoes. Also, there are vertical in red color, and the vertical is really thick. And this is a Flightkickz pair. It's just same packaging as the retail pair, and the vertical is also very thick, and color is just same as the retail pair. And this is the others pair. The vertical is short, and the color is different. This is the retail pair actual shoes laces with the Air Jordan logo. This is another side, and this is the Flightkickz pair. It also comes with the German logo, and the color is just same as the retail pair. But these 2 are from others batch. So as you can see, there is shoes laces under German logo, but the retail pair doesn't supposed to has that. And the color of the red one is different comparing to the retail pair. The retail one is using the VC paper to wrap the shoe, and this is Flightkickz one. It's the same kind of paper as the retail pair. This is others batch. They're using this paper. It's a little bit different. The color is a little bit different. Alright, we take all left shoe to comparing them side by side, panel by panel. So as you can see, the retail pair and the Flightkickz pair, the leather is just same looking, same color, and same feeling when you touch it. But this others pair, their leather is more brighter, and when you touch it, it's totally different. So they didn't using original material. So moving on, when you get the yellow ring netting, you can see the Flightkickz pair same looking as the retail pair. But this one, the color also is not as thick as the retail pair. And moving on about the shoes laces, you can see Flightkickz pair, the shoes laces is just same as the retail pair because we're using original shoes laces from same factory as retail pair. And this one, the shoes laces is brighter, color is brighter. And moving on about the shoe time, as you can see, the Flightkickz pair just same looking as the retail pair, no matter from red German logo or flight word on the shoe time. But this one from others, this tag color is different. It's pink background. It's not the kind of white color. Also, the German logo is bright red. Also, the flight looks not such good. And moving on about the shoe time on another side. So this is a retail pair. You can see there's some words in dark gray color, and this is a Flightkickz pair. And it's the same buffalo and the soft as a retail pair. And this one, the color also of the shoe time is wrong already. Also, the words of this is black color, it's not gray color, so also totally wrong. So from this view, you can see the retail pair, the toe box is flat. It's not such big toe box. And Flightkickz pair also come with same toe box, same shape as the retail pair. But if you put the others pair side by side with the retail pair, you can see their toe box is really fat, and the whole shape looks really fat comparing to the retail pair. Also from this view, you can see Flightkickz pair same looking, this triangle same looking as the retail pair, and this fake pair, this material is different, also color is different. And here is a mini swoosh logo. This is a retail pair look like. This is a Flightkickz pair look like. This is others pair look like. In different color, also you can see the stitching looks not such clean. From this part, I want to tell you the toe box stitching. You can see the measure of the stitching, how it looks like on retail pair. And this is a Flightkickz pair, same as the retail pair. This is others pair. You can see their stitching, every space of the stitching is too long. The measure is too long. So we are checking the back of the shoes. So you can see this material is very special. When you touch it, it feels like brick. This is Flightkickz pair. It's similar as the retail pair. But if you check the others pair, this material looks too smooth. Couldn't feel the brick texture. Also, this is really solid. It's not flexible. But Flightkickz pair is flexible, and retail pair also flexible. Now we are checking the outsole. I think the outsole from all these parts, the others pair is using good outsole from so far. No big mistake. Now we are checking the outsole. Retail pair and the Flightkickz pair, they're same looking. But this one from others, their words, color looks different, also material looks different. Also the whole insole color is not such deep gray as the retail pair and the Flightkickz pair. This is another side looking. So another side comparing to retail pair, Flightkickz pair looks a little bit different too. But the words, similar words. This one. So after you take the insole out, you can see there are 4 lines inside the shoes. And this is how the retail one look like. And Flightkickz one also have 4 lines. But this others one without, they have 2 lines but with wrong color. So after going through every single panel across all 3 pairs, here's the breakdown. The retail, the benchmark, obviously everything is exactly where it should be. The Flightkickz pair, this is the one that's actually impressive. If you put the Flightkickz one side by side with retail pair, you even couldn't tell which one is real. The other market pair, this is exactly why I wanted to make this video. It looks similar in photo online, but once you have it in hand next to a proper pair, the gap is obvious. The takeaway here, not all rep or market pairs are the same. Where you buy from matters is just as much as the shoe itself. If you want the pair that's actually closer to retail, just follow Flightkickz.club. Thanks for watching guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye!